Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you on how to disable a driver's signature on a PC. Before installing any advanced program that the Windows 10 does not support, you need to go to disable your driver's signature. So first of all, what you do, you move your cursor to this place, that is the start button, then start clicking, move to power, click on power, then here that is written restart, you click on restart. But before clicking on restart, press your shift key and hold it. This is your shift key, hold your shift key, then keep holding the shift key. See, that is the shift key. This, keep holding it, wait for it to load. Just be patient, and boom, this is it. So the next thing you do, you select troubleshooting, you click, go to advanced option, you click, now go to setup setting, click, then go to restart. This is it, restart, click on restart, wait, take us to the next. So this is it, just restart, has taken us to the next menu. So look at what they wrote here. Please press a number to choose the option below. Use number key or function keys F1 to F9. So our option here, what we are looking for is number 7, disable device signature enforcement. So let's click F7 on our keyboard. So this is F7, this is it. So click on F7, so the screen will go like this. So wait for it to load. It automatically reboots by itself. So once it reboots, you enter your password, and boom, you have succeeded in disabling it. Now you can install your driver app, your VCOM driver for MediaTek and Android, and other advanced developed drivers and apps that your computer Windows does not support. Thank you for watching. I am the Great Phone Repairs. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here for the next video. Thank you. So wait for it to load. Please wait. Yeah, it's loaded. So let's input our password. So this is it. So now it is successful.